Additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, is changing the way products are manufactured. Until recently, 3D printing was limited to small products or prototyping. Among the many additive technologies, wire arc additive manufacturing, or WAAM, is especially suitable for large and very large structures. Its costs are also much lower than powder-based variants, making it very attractive for many industrial applications.
Additive manufacturing has been around for a while, but this technology, wire arc additive manufacturing, or WAAM, basically a 3D welding process, is really the next big thing. Very large parts can be 3D printed with WAAM that cannot be printed with other additive technologies. At RAMLab, we already have printed the first certified propeller in the world for a Dutch shipyard.
With WAAM, we can combine different materials so we can use the expensive ones only where they are truly needed. So far, we have only been scratching the surface of what is possible with WAAM, but this is going to change with Grade2XL.
When we will bring WAAM at industrial maturity, it will completely change the way industry is operating. With WAAM, damaged parts can be repaired on site and you don't need warehouses full of spare parts. We expect harbors will look completely different in a decade from now.
But what should happen to move away from casting, forging or machining and instead make WAAM the common practice?
We must explore the technology at industrial level and gather sufficient data on the performance of 3D printed products as compared to products made by conventional processes. Wire arc additive manufacturing allows us to use non-destructive techniques to continuously monitor the quality during production. Such monitoring will have to be considered to optimize certification process and to foster the acceptance of the technology by the industry. There are 8 industrial demonstrators in Grade2XL. This massive interest from the industry motivated Bureau Veritas to join the project and write manufacturing and qualification guidelines for the industry. With our involvement, we hope to help more European companies to adopt the WAAM technology and reap its benefits. We must do it fast and in Europe.
We have been waiting for a long time for this technology. To produce our products to high quality standards, we use an extremely rare and expensive technology, and we need to order our molds overseas. With WAAM we can make molds of similar quality at a much lower cost with a much shorter lead time.
For industries that work with very large parts and safety critical operation, such as energy production sector, WAAM opens up many possibilities.
When our tools get suddenly damaged, new one must be ordered, and this process can even take months. But time is money. With WAAM, we can immediately repair a damaged tool so that we don't have to stop the production.
To bring the technology from a lab to industrial application, we need to involve the entire value chain. M2Y has established an innovation ecosystem that is unique in Europe and ensures that basic research done at universities is brought to a higher maturity level at industrial premises. In Grade2XL, we will demonstrate that years of research pay off and WAAM technology is now becoming commercially interesting and profitable.
The Grade2XL consortium includes 21 partners from 8 European countries. 8 functionally graded demonstrators will be built and tested as the first step for industrial uptake. A ship propeller, a mobile ring for hydroelectric power plants, a mold for sanitary products, a mold for composite parts in the aerospace sector, an injection mold for automotive applications, forming dies for the household appliances sectors, and a repair demonstrator, where WAAM will be used to regenerate the surface of a forging die.
WAAM is a very interesting investment for small and medium-sized companies because it requires a relatively small investment. In Grade2XL, we will soon have open demonstration actions and coaching sessions for those who would like to venture into WAAM.
This project has received funding from the European Union's Research and Innovation Programme, Horizon 2020. Visit grade2xl.eu for more information and subscribe to our newsletter.